Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl, Veronica Donna, as always. I have some exciting news to share with you guys. I have been nominated for Best Artist in African Traditional in Afrima 2025. It's a big news. This is not just about me, you know. It's about Ethiopia. It's about Eritrea. It's about Sudan. It's about East Africa. It's about Africa, you know. It's about us and our music being heard on a big stage. The voting is open now, and I really need your love and support. Please take a little time to vote for me so that we can bring the award back home together. You have always been with me every step, and I cannot do this without you. I love you all so much. Let's make Ethiopia shine. And don't forget to vote for other Ethiopian artists, for my sisters and brothers. We have to make Ethiopia shine at the end of the day. Done. And a big thank you to Afrima for giving us this beautiful platform to share our music and culture with the world. So, salam dinachu Veronica Dana. አፍሪማ ላይ ታሽተናል እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ ኢትዮጵያን ወክለን እኔና የማያጋሩቼ ስለዚህ ገብታችሁ ቮት ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ እሱ ለመናገር ነው እና እናቆራቸዋለን እና ወዳችኋለሁ እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ በድጋሚ መልካም በዓል ይሁንላችሁ